So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of events over here in my Google Calendar. So if you want to, let's say for example, filter out and search for events, then you can easily do so by going on to the top right hand side where you can see the search magnifying glass right here. Once you click on search, you can see that the search bar pops up and I can type in the title of any event. Let's say for example, I can go around and type in event right here. And then once I do that, you can see that there's a drop-down list of events with the name event on it. If I were to go around and press enter, then what happens is that all of the names with the event name, the title, actually pops up right here, as you can see. So there are all the events right here. I can go around over here and let's say for example, if I want to search for meeting, then there you go. There's all the meeting right here. Press enter and all of the title with the name meeting on them will actually pop up over there, and that is how it works. And that is how you can search for events inside of Google Calendar. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.